Chapter 2, Shloka 36 to 40. First Shloka 36. Avacyavadamscha bahun vadishyanti tavahitaah nindantastava samarthyam tato dukkataram nu kim. So Lord Krishna goes on to tell Arjuna, Tava ahitaah, those who are against you, your enemies. Nindantah tava samarthyam. So they would criticizing your ability. Bahun avacyavadam vadishyanti. They will say lot of things which should not be told. Avacyavadam. Tato dukkataram nu kim. So what can be more sorrowful than that? Says Lord Krishna to Arjuna. Shloka 37. Hato va prapsyasi swargam jitva va bhokshyase mahim tasmaduttishta kaunteya yuddhaya krita nischayah. Lord Krishna tells Arjuna, Hatah prapsyasi swargam. If you are killed, you will get heaven. Jitva bhokshyase mahim. If you win, you will enjoy this earth. Tasmat, from that reason, He Kaunteya, He Arjuna Uttishta, get up. Yuddhaya, for this war, Krita Nischayah, be determined. So be determined to fight this war, says Lord Krishna to Arjuna. Shloka 38. Sukha dukke same kritva labha labhau jaya jayau tato yuddhaya yujyasva naivam papam avapsyasi. So Lord Krishna goes on to tell Arjuna, Sukha dukke same kritva. So both happiness and sorrow, you treat it equally, same kritva. And also, labha labhau, any gain or loss, jaya jayau, victory and defeat, all these you treat them equally, says Lord Krishna to Arjuna. Tato yuddhaya yujyasva. And after doing that, yuddhaya yujyasva. Get ready for this war. Na evam papam avapsyasi. Na evam papam avapsyasi. You will not incur sin, says Lord Krishna to Arjuna. Shloka 39. Esha te bihita sankye buddhir yoge tvimam shrunu buddhya yukto yaya partha karmabandham prahasyasi. So Lord Krishna goes on to tell Arjuna, Esha buddhihi te sankye abhihita. This state of mind, abhihita, has been presented to you, Sankhya, from the point of view of Sankhya Yoga or Jnana Yoga. Yoge tu imam shrunu. Now you hear it from the standpoint of yoga, meaning karma yoga. You hear from the point of view of karma yoga, yaya buddhya yuktah. By that state of mind, He Partha, He Arjuna, karma bandham prahasyasi. The bondage of karma you will be able to throw away, or you will be able to become free from the bondage of karma, says Lord Krishna to Arjuna. Shloka 40. Neha bikrama nashosti pratyavayo na vidyate swalpamapyasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat. Na iha abhikrama nashah asti. in this path of Karma Yoga, na abhikrama nashah asti. There is no loss of effort. In this path of Karma Yoga, there is no loss of effort. Pratyavayo na vidyate. Pratyavayah, meaning any wrong, unexpected or contrary result will not be there in this path. Swalpamapyasya dharmasya. Swalpam api asya dharmasya. Of this dharma, of this Karma Yoga, even a little practice, trayate mahato bhayat. It will protect you from great fear, says Lord Krishna to Arjuna.